I like seeing no Leland, though. Yeah, I'm just here because of the double XP thing. I'm trying to get my perks up, you know? I'm gonna throw one on the side garden, guys, and also in that crawl space in the kitchen, so, Sissy, try not to go through that crawl space. It'll bust my trap. And then I'll throw one close to the fuse somewhere. I just gotta find the fuse first. Ooh, we don't have any way to lock this back door either. We gotta watch that. Well, we don't have a cook. I should have played cook. It's all good. I'm gonna go upstairs, see where the fuse is. Well, it's not at the top of the stairs. It's gonna be in the middle. Yeah. It's kind of the worst place for us. I'm slapping a trap right by that crawl space, or a wall gap near the fuse. We need to get Grandpa fed. I got 46 blood on it. Let me see if I can find any more up here. Is that them, or is that us making that noise? Yeah, they aren't up yet. Never mind. Like I said, it's been a little while since I played, so all my details are a little wonky. You should be able to get them awake with yours. Sorry. Alright, Julie's still in the basement. One of them just hit my trap. You go that way, Sissy. I'll go the other way. Shit. Alright. Damn, they're fucking locking doors? Or is that us that did that? He's probably gonna go out. He's probably gonna go out the window. Yep, I knew it. Anna's back downstairs. I knew they were gonna hit that window since we don't have a trap for it. It's all good. It happens. They might have gone out this back door too. There's no way to check it. I'm chasing Anna back down. Huh?
Hard times is good for people. I know.
Anna's on me downstairs. She's gonna get me. It's all good. I'm gonna go back upstairs. I'm just kind of wasting her time a little bit, but she's wasting mine too, so. Alright, closing the door.
That tone with me. Do you have any notion who you're talking to?
I'll let you.
To me like that. You have no idea the things I've done for this family.
Anna's out the back. Anna's out the back. I'm chasing her.
Oh, I'm sorry to
I see her.
this, but ain't none of y'all getting out of here alive.
She's gonna go back down well. Sissy, come help. Sissy, come help. I know you were close. Damn it, she is whooping my ass, bro. She cooked me in the cooter again.
It's time to do what I taught you.
All right, let me see if I can find them.
Can you do that for me?
Julie is. There's two of them still in the basement, guys. So that's good news. No, one of them's moving. I know Julie. It looked like two of them. Both of them were moving. They're together in the basement somewhere. Which exit? I see.
Chase like this in some time.
I'm going back up. We're all down here. Alright, I'm going back up. They're probably going out this back again. Sons of bitches. I'm gonna go check it. Make sure this back gate is still locked. Back gate's still locked. Oh, two of them disconnected? Damn. Yeah, maybe they were. Oh, wait. Nice. We're getting some executions. Good job, guys.
It didn't have to be this way, you know.
What's that?
You just had to
What?
come looking for that floozy of yours.
Oh, yeah. They're out. I figured they were out front. We don't have any way to watch the... Yeah, they're out here. Yeah, they're all leaving. They're all leaving.
Where you squirrel
It was probably Danny that did it too if he's still in the game, so they're probably gonna frickin' get out. It's all good.
Where is it exactly you think you're going?
I can't catch him with fucking... Yeah, it don't matter.
This constant running around is
I mean, like I said, this was not the combo to bring to Family House. But I just wanted to play Nancy to get her stats up, so it don't matter. They're probably doing something in the house while we're out here.
Your little friend had it coming. Johnny that way. He's a sweet boy.
Let me see if I can find Danny.
Where did
Danny is at the back gate.
go?
Yeah. He's either at the battery or about to go to the battery. Yep, he's at the battery. It's over. No biggie, guys. Well, no, I mean, you gotta have a hiker and a cook on this map if you really want to be serious, but nobody's being serious. He's just waiting for me to come back here to teabag.
Ain't no use in delaying things.
He's back here. Oh, the gate is still locked. Oh, wait, the battery's still on. That's what it is. Yeah, he just insta-tampered it, I think. No, he didn't. He's still back here. Nice, we can kill him. Johnny, you with me? Hell yeah, bro. Or should I say, Sonny? Alright, he's back here, guys. Well, he was. There you go. I'm gonna go out to the front. He's probably going back down that well.
The flowers, real good.
Or he's going to the gin. Is the gin on? I'm turning it on then before he gets out front. He's right here. He's going back to where you just were, Johnny. I'm hitting him. He's at that crawl space you just closed. I'm closing it again. He's going back to the battery. You see him. Good job. Close the crawl space. Closing this other crawl space. Okay. I was just closing this crawl space. No worries. I'm coming back that way. We got him. I mean, Grandpa's up 100%, so... Which way to go? There he is. He's right here. It's all good. He just went back down the basement. It's no biggie. Right. Sissy, go back down the basement. Try to get that third kill, baby. Alright. I'm heading that way. We shouldn't have a problem since Grandpa's up to 5. Right? I'm going right back down. That's what she said. Boom. Yeah, it's tough when you don't have a hiker or a cook on this map, but it is what it is.
Just in case.
I'm gonna try to... Hold on. He's already upstairs? He's, at the front door. Wait, no, not the front door. Here he is. He's in the kitchen. He's going out the front window. He's going out the front window. Wait, no, he's not. Yeah, he is. Front window. I got him. He's dead. No, he's dead. I got him. I'm killing him right in front of the window. Ooh, in the dick? That's not very nice. GG's, y'all. GG's. Right? Only one escape. Not bad. GG's. GG's. That wasn't too bad. Only on... Yeah, for that group. Yeah, it was a good game, man. Oh, you don't want... GG's. GG's. GG's, y'all. More importantly, my perks just went up. Nice.